Up to now, we've had voltage sources which are DC. They can be thought of as batteries. And with this circuit, we still have that. We have this 18 volt consistent DC source. But we also have a dependent source that's in this diamond shape. Dependent sources are produced by components such as transistors or op-amps. And we haven't covered transistors and op-amps yet. They will be covered later in the class, in the course. But we can still work with the knowledge that we've gained. We can still do the circuit analysis. But now with the thought that this source here is dependent on a value created in another part of the circuit. So it gives it here, it says 20 VA. So whatever voltage is seen at A will be multiplied, amplified, if you like, 20 times. And that will obviously impact what voltage is seen at B. And the question asks, what is VB? Okay, so to find VB, we first of all have to find VA. And VA is found using our trusty voltage divider. So we have the 18 volts, and we're interested in the voltage that's across the 300 ohm resistor. So it's going to be 18 volts multiplied by the 300 and divided by the total series resistance, which is 375. Okay, so if you do that, find VA, 18 multiplied by 300 divided by 375, we get a VA of 14.4. So now that we know VA is 14.4, we can find what this dependent source is producing. We multiply the 14.4 by 20, and that gets us 288. So the dependent source is outputting 288 volts. We need to find VB. Again, we're going to use the voltage divider to find VB. So it's going to be 288. We're interested in the voltage across the 5K. So 288 volts multiplied by 5 divided by 6, or multiplied by 5K divided by 6K. 6K being the total series resistance. Okay, and that gets you 240 volts. So for this setup, the voltage seen at B, VB, is 240 volts.